Ado na waka, open to be gabe, and it's on the assassin, to be na mano, oh no, na waka, amakuma. So grass on cherry, Tiawa, ano na rekasa Tiawa, never na sorry Tiawa. Open to me, Gabi, and it's on the assassin. Over here, Namado, Ado, Naveka, Awakova. So terrible, Tiawa. I know Nina, Recasa, Tiawa. Ebanina, sorry, Tiawa. Hello, Navaka, into the cabin, and it's on the assassin, coming in Amado, Ado, Navaka, Amakuma. Sani Bremo, Nato Medina Berase, Nani di Emmanuel Chiremise, Namidia, Mama Queen, Aria dance, Namine, yeah, oh, Trenes, Sani Bremo, Nato Medina Berase, Nani di Emmanuel Chiremise, Namidia, what I mean, oh, Naso, Namine, yeah, oh, Trenes, Bremo, Atomina Berase, Nani di Emmanuel Chiremise, Namidi, what do you mean? Oh, Nanso, if I show by no, I say, wash out my wife. Oh, Trenes, Bremo, Atomina Berase, because I'm Manuel Chiremise, Namidi. Nani di Emmanuel Chiremise, Namidi. What do you mean? Oh, Nanso, Namidi, Bevo. Oh, Trenes, Bremo, Nato Medina Berase, Nani di Emmanuel Chiremise, Namidi me, oh, Nanso.
So, men, not your bank. Aha, you're for the records. Aha, now you're dinner. I hope poor Nim cannot crash at the teacher to me. Ghana, mine can't run it to mum for adjoining for 4 years adjoining. Dear, ya play Jaya Kana, Nelson, a Yasa Yaka, and a Yaka. Yaka Kabensam, a Shian Contonchisam, Nena Brabasem. Barry Makuko drew for an infant for Mema, a come for the Memayono, or Okatakyie Afrifa Mensa at Nasi, or Binsi or B, no for Nidia auntie Yasutri. I have for the records. Bompempen, Natriban, Ghana for Frono, a bang, and a yes shame. Dear Sir, men, Natriban. Aha, ye for the records. Aha, now you're dinner. I hope poor Nim cannot crash at the teacher to me. Ghana, mine can't run it to mum for adjoining for 4 years adjoining. Dear, ya play Jaya Kana, Nelson, a Yasa Yaka, and a Yaka. Yaka Kabensam, a Shian Contonchisam, Nena Brabasem. Barry Makuko drew for an infant for Mema, a come for the Memayono, or Okatakyie Afrifa Mensa at Nasi, or Binsi or B, no for Nidia auntie Yasutri. I have for the records. Bompempen, Natriban, Ghana for Frono, a bang, and a yes shame. Dear woo, dear woo.
ukora na ekuta na waje hunu uko kuro bi so bi ko toilet ukora na ekuta na waje hunu uko kuro bi so bi ko toilet ya de obeye jiri osum nyame amfo wadwene sum Muhammad oba lokuta Quran Muhammad oba asase so lokuta ya wo lokuta Quran eye nipa no asem ene ya kyoro ene kuta nipa eye nipa no asem enta asem na gidi book na kuta ndi ukora na ekuta na waje hunu uko kuro bi so bi ko toilet ukora na ekuta na waje hunu uko kuro bi so bi ko toilet ya de obeye jiri osum nyame amfo wadwene sum Muhammad oba lokuta Quran Muhammad oba asase so lokuta ya wo lokuta Quran eye nipa no asem ene ya kyoro ene kuta nipa eye nipa no asem enta asem na gidi book na kuta ndi ukora na ekuta na waje hunu uko kuro bi so bi ko toilet ukora na ekuta na waje hunu uko kuro bi so bi ko toilet ya de obeye jiri osum nyame amfo wadwene sum Muhammad oba lokuta Quran Muhammad oba asase so lokuta ya wo lokuta Quran eye nipa no asem ene ya kyoro ene kuta nipa eye nipa no asem enta asem na gidi book na kuta ndi ukora na ekuta na waje hunu uko kuro bi so bi ko toilet ukora na ekuta na waje hunu uko kuro bi so bi ko toilet ya de obeye jiri osum nyame amfo wadwene sum Muhammad oba lokuta Quran Muhammad oba asase so lokuta ya wo lokuta Quran eye nipa no asem ene ya kyoro ene kuta nipa eye nipa no asem enta asem na gidi book na kuta ndi
Amo fire.
Obi se obema ne ho ayehu ahunehu na kwatwi amansa oboa ono no nipa ne ye na ma ye de hunu no aye bi dandim sa yehu so ye obesan aye bi ye Okatakyie Afrifa mensa tisire kwabnafo a odi ne mema sem wo okunyini kofo bekwen a wako adi nkontonchi ne anadwoma na sem so sakatim pobi a woko no ana wo so mebe tekrema pra wo matekrema pem atapiti duya kontonchi amframa jampanzuru entumi tutu mensa brampa otu anisam bojabu afuntu ajodupon kwame atoa poma databruwa na chiame poma okantinka kantanka okokuroko okodufue nsentwerefo mu bomofo nante amra okumo bopon didiame Okatakyie Afrifa mensa atnase jiadwa na tie no dia wu
Oui. General.
Oh, hene.
General.
Oh, ne.
Coffee. Coffee. I'm okay there.
Yeah, you're okay.
Gobi mu okay. General you okay.
Fantastic.
Why you ready?
Fantastic.
Bibia fantastic.
Yeah, fantastic.
Precisely.
Exactly so.
Languages. We are here to give State of the Nation address. Na yeda Ghana fo nyina ase. Se Madaroma Mumunti ana show no aye di aye. Show no aye kesia. Ena no santehene nyam kese. Wosi nyame na di free soro amamie. Enti mo ye ho hwie a enye yi. Na we no nyame na di free soro amaye. Na ni pese woni ade ne afi be wi akiri no. Na asa akwa wie se. Ye de se na no kura de peja wo. Enyasa no bi Yesu. Yesu ba esa no mo ye no. Muhammad ba ye di natam komsheni Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Wo ba ye di natam ye kansa. Ni nyina ewi akiri anwa ye kasi. Nyasa no amoye no amsio ai kadachie no na ni page no eni page twa na dapa na msi na banya se ni page twa dapa na wonye ni page tire be twa dapa wa hu obi a wonye ni page tire ni aso de ni twa na dapa aba hu bi da na sante ni ye di na tem sante ni sante ni no na ko hwe nipa no ye bia bia wodi di ai chiame antem
ya biality.
And so any petit trinity, that the lumber any petit trick, ye did not some. One God will make a politics. One young one to your mamma. And none of me here, you say, a Jackie, a Baba way out, no champ on Bano. Was so only do comment to crab you. And one more day, and I am with trouble. Nebi switch me di matemwa no mo hwese akemeba be soso ne ade na me bu bini hey me bu bini na metu ya na nipa no me we ne hwe se we no odi matem ko soso a ade afa so de pa na menya so nyesa hey na kwa ese somro a otua osono ho no obeye sono de obetumi atwem ho mogya nyina ti ya na megya wo masema why chirabosu ma hunso wo frɛ na minim de ntia chirabosu me wo why na bia ma frɛ yeah Andrew ai se debo wo ya ne nebo mi fita abo mfita no kwa Afrifa mi wo yo awuja o papa eso entimi nya bo awio e wo huro ho keke na ko now right from 2015 na MPP aye satam na NDC Jomama na wo na me ye videos ni ade atia no na fa NDC fo ni twuma da pa wo mu twa na MPP fo no ani age ni ebo 2016 ni ebo msamambo na dane ye na from 2017 ade ni butu yi twa butu obi eno so minu anu MPP fo yi omu ti twuma da pa twa ya ma Jennifer ko ekura twa ma da pa Jennifer kunya ya minu aba na me ni ko to fufuo di o kwatena UTV twa ma da pa enso mimi nya ya ma adwere se de me ye ni a ni obi ave ade no asadane ai Nicholas achi ya nemu yo besana yeye achi ya nemu yo sinepidua yesa adane Nicholas omani ejabo eje se ndisi fo na sa akodi ha ana MPP fo na ba ndisi mo ba bre o ndisi fo mba bre cause me matem ni die na sakwe na mo no we no se wohwe omo ayi womo hope no wosoro ana still aye wo bibi gidi aha ne bedu bedu wo se chiu aba ufo na se wo Kobi na won say and mummy ye nin komo ne do so and ma menhwe you mo ma social media ne do so de wo mo do so ya mo for dey korum I go fuse one go kuma ayo abo me ni Kofi Anante for mfie duns Kofi how many years in from 2008 2008 we sabre here if you do say almost 16 years right Okay, so 16 years, Kofi Anko school. But he is one of the most knowledgeable human beings I've found on earth.
So.
Yes, for almost 16 years of working with him. He is one of the most intelligent human beings I've found on earth. And this is natural knowledge. When you beautiful, beautiful. And we are still moving. I mean, Obia war now when we be your power, you be break because as a man for because you draw more. Homabre, team no camp we say, and you be my man for no holidays. More fire for any me no more we can't call. Now or more holidays leba. Now say one sune, another one suko. Now it is now it's munina Obia could do one more down you. Why? A new Konebiba. For the records, for the next week, you know, Kofine General, or more holidays, or more ruple, more the team just wants to send them away to go and relax. Moko ayana onse mumutimi enyu wani eti moko a munya bibia motwa na mo de abane ya de 2 page no so eti ombe woni se Kofini General atrep no moko ye ni enhiranka erade entim ni nyina munyina mbeko mako why yes Kofi ayam ko ni nko ya djuma na no de na wo ho
ohene yerezu ana
amu resume
no ohene eto be no akofa free board so azia o ma nkrofo ebu efu
eto adai
yes when you to be free board so
why no who be this Are you of fire? Of fire, is it? Yenti of fire, yenti. Danny Shume.
Abano D11. Memblemu be a Okatakyie Afrifa da meblemu no. Memblemu be a Okatakyie Afrifa na meblemu. Aguna nyame, wa na meblemu. Se taxiway na mo so na taxiway aba. Enka jai ma to ba ko no ntena board no so na nka yenya sumdue. Wudi mirika ma yakoyi to ba ko na free board so na yakofa to foforo aba. Yakoda kosore ya oma kwhyeto kuruma konwa apapa ho abinso ko D11 santan Okatakyie Afrifa wo na me boss bo enka ma eto ba ko no nkopɛ ne board so ntana na ka Ghana fo se kuruma to mienu na wahasi me moto obi adi to eto obi mu nyina munim to okro enka ma kwan na to ba ko no nkɔto na board no so na ka Ghana fo nyina aso munwen akɔyɛ hu de da ma se patakonje ko abobo ama se ye to ba ko na firi ana ye de to foforo ba eti ye betia why Max foforo na abano D11 no memblemu obi asa Okatakyie Afrifa da meblemu no memblemu obi asa Okatakyie Afrifa na meblemu no aguna nyame wa na meblemu se taxiway na mo so na taxiway aba enka jai ma to ba ko no ntena board no so na nka yenya sumdue wudi mirika ma yakoyi to ba ko na free board so na yakofa to foforo aba yakoda kosore ya oma kwhyeto kuruma konwa apapa ho abinso ko D11 santan Okatakyie Afrifa wo na me boss bo enka ma eto ba ko no nkopɛ ne board so ntana na ka Ghana fo se kuruma to mienu na wahasi me moto obi adi to eto obi mu nyina munim to okro
da ni yiri friso over ya ti se mu na o ti akire wa okay no mo o so moto obi adi to eto obi yakoyi to ba ko na free board no so ana ese to obi nso aba to obi blame me na me hu so obi say Okatakyie Afrifa knows next nothing about journalism ampa o mu journalism me fa nya hwe eti mu nko na mko tie be na da blame mo na abene journalism omo na nim journalism na me journalism ni yadai Johnny bite you Johnny Bear Johnny si asia tutu Johnny Bear Johnny Hughes ada was it is ya okemu adai Johnny yentie Johnny okay so Johnny said no
happy that you are giving them cheaper prices of fuel at the pump. But they are now complaining that you have given us this, we are happy, we are praising you. Now you want to come and take 1 cedi of every liter. It shows that you have not properly engaged the people. If you had engaged the people, you'd have known that, oh, we can't pay 1 cedi. We don't want to pay.
No. Hold on. Where? Johnny Hughes. Me Johnny Hughes. Onye. Johnny Hughes ni. Me Govi. Johnny's bite. No, where Johnny's lick. Where is Johnny's bite? Where do all lick who won't bite? Johnny's a day. Johnny's bite. Mamma sent you. And you see, some of us, we are natural born orators. There's nothing you can do about it. I'm an extempo speaker. I'm an expert when it comes to language. And when somebody is speaking, I intentionally watch them and the choice of words they use and what they intend to use the choice of words for. Now, meet here, Johnny. It's so funny that the Johnny I know, he's not biting. He's licking around the issue. So either say, free Johnny's bite to Johnny's lick. They say, one lick here, but Johnny Lake. But so person bite ya Johnny. So my mention there or my mention the menu Johnny here. Mo hold Daniel Bonnie Yenti start you
At the pump.
Okay, so start you.
But they are now, the people are happy that you are giving them cheaper prices.
So first of all, Danny wants to remind the people that for yatesu into monya happy. It's not the people speaking. Danny can they who feel it? Can they who feel it? There is one issue yato petromu and ayateso, and there is another yade tax yatoso. So when you want to hit it, go straight and hit it, and say tax na modiatoso no. It is neither here nor there. And as I may support it, you must bite. You don't need to lick. So he said the people are happy that you've reduced. So communication. He wants to remind the people that we've reduced the pump, fuel price at the pump. Johnny can was can't. Deal levy once after yes, and Johnny, obey.
But they are now complaining that you have given us this, we are happy, we are praising you. Now you want to come and take
Okay. Hold on. Look at what they are praising you that we are not happy you are here. And look at no, the people have not said they are happy anywhere. So Johnny, please continue to bite. Don't be licking. This one sounds like you are licking instead of biting. Johnny, please, you have to lick. And you have to bite. Don't lick. After was say the people are happy and they are Johnny, come on, it's tax in the account was him. Tax in the was him. After young to us,
it shows that you have not properly engaged the people.
Okay, so wait. So again, Johnny is saying that the issue is not about taxing but the issue is about engaging the people. So he's moving semantics. He's moving away from the core issue to now say that you should have engaged the people. So the problem is communication. And he will go on to say it, that the only problem the MPP had was communication. So Johnny, please, bite. A tax and the attention opposition is saying, what do you think? Don't be doing semantics with language. I mean, Johnny, maybe you know bite. Akufo Diani, you were not going to say it this way. Johnny's bite. I'm going. After Yentil.
If you had engaged the people, you'd have known that, we can't pay 1 cedi. We don't want to pay 1 cedi. We want to pay 30 pesos. We want to pay 5 pesos. Or we don't want to pay. Communication was the problem of the previous government. I told you.
Johnny. Communication was not the problem. Akufo levy engage Ghana for across the country here. You go home stakeholders town house meeting so it's not communication. Don't make it substantive issue. Oh, Miana Johnny. Oleke. Johnny bites it. What it? Bites it. What you say? I bite it. Hey, Johnny. Bike. Why do I challenge it? And Oleke home. Johnny, it's not communication. Communication is never the issue we are discussing here. And I'm saying I'm an expert when it comes to language. Because it comes natural to me. And when somebody speaks, I know the opposite of the word, maybe the masses will not know. So you prepare their mind before you hit them with the real. And no, somebody can lay foundation when it comes to commerce. I mean, don't do these things. The people are happy that the fuel prices have gone down at the pump. So we'll prepare a month for an agony. Say, Jack, you should be happy. The new person buy it up. One person buy it, so I show the deal. Now you move you away from there. Obianka no krabeti mi akachi. Obianka said to show the danger on his bite. Over na person you bite in free ho. E bredu na person the bite in ba na dia ba. Afe mumie nko na menya de me mfiri hotel na me wi a me nkokoro me nsam free gatem. Why? Na me de me sa to gatem mu be na otwe mienu ni. Na me wi a me nkokoro me nsam free. Na yi ni ade. General me yese me mamanfo no e ho ato mo e wo wi ase. Me se me kuma manfo no dia. Da sani bia ni ho amsuro no. And nobody will be exempted. Who abuse man for the cyberbullying. When you abuse them, your physical crowd can be different. Na obi baya, o bully, o chatro, o ye nipa bone. Na MPP 1 year hearing tino. O chatro ye musane chilensa. And gradually the people are getting to know him for who he is.
Exactly.
Nene yanko he video bi. And you see, such a character, or you're mercenary, put you on a canquan, you'll be chat to all money. Never the same affair yet. Yes, the the chicken are coming home to roost. And then that's why I'm home video be an NDC chairman be a war. A yas a man time for you. Walk you more. Sa branch or send a kitchen in your or chat for Eshatonoso. Yen should be big to a be. Not you are, send him Kayano. And I got him. Not you are young cop. Na a ye. Then if I'm a conient a year chairman, no was a man time for you. Young cop near G. Dani ya ni ade ayi ba ko a wo ka mu se wo ye so e galamse ya enso anya galamse ya ani ade je no ade no ma na ke fa no movie why we ni ade ni eyi ni ade je no sa ni be ye no we sisa why Dani anya no na akosua ye ta wo ni bucket ready why we are here as a sign of say would you call gutter anymore? We will come into the gutter, take our shirt off, we will lash you. When we are done, we wear our white shirt back and we will move on. It's that simple. We don't really care. If we have a discussing matters of importance. Aban we medical catchem so frakadam aban. Aban we medical catchem so for monko baby. Aban we medical catchem so baby ese ko bia. You know, ko boano monchusu. Near ye nantin ye. Now aban ne best scam yo mo. 11 ho sense ko fie beka bi. Ye wi so a ye hye wo mo boss ne be continue the issue no e ka hye be continue. And the last end of the show, we will come to it and we'll discuss it. As to the team's position, where we are going, the direction. Now, you also go be. Me catch them container na unko baby. Na ye be mo hunu eye admakon college admakon ene eye John Jinapo. Wo mu hia ye no. Said the John Jinapo ye ne ho ne ne niam. Afe bibi koso. Sa tetem jo mama be ko tetem won ko tetem ni ade no. GhanaRecords.com stories ni twegu nkonko ready bi. You said you can share Mobono. For the records is here to stay.
More fire.
Nothing will change it.
More fire.
Mandani, Trodana and NDC 7 Naba. Naba. You ready comments in it be now your fan train. Okay, so hold on, Danny. I have in position. Let's look at something. I mean, who said when I a dog to dog fight? Kramaka will be a January. Yenti adie, Danny start bill, Yenti adie, Yenti. Bonnie NG. Okay, so that is our start view.
area wa e abrati we e fara
abeku me a town brand
and it's repeat bio muntie hold on Danny hold on pause it afi me ka kire mu se sa akwa we ono na the highest bidder unya atua ne kanko ade a obeba beti na watwa toro ato so now or the MPP for in the past afed or the yen nuan man DC for etike ya okasai o yen DC ni ene me wonso okekam abeku kafra ate mo supporting and say na no ye so yen tie boy na nu asem so apparently now him said there is a video okase Kenoforia tate restaurant bia ono na ekotwa ye say video Dr. Ren ekotwa and so akwa we beka kire so ne twa ye hu Kenoforia tate no ekotwa umu efia wutim kwa umpie o sha wo yire basement a umpie tu ko hu Kenoforia tate we Dr. Ren UK ano hu se Kenoforia tate eye baabi ano o twa ye so but this guy better now na me hu Kenoforia tate sia na me twa ye ne ade he is a confident trickster no wonder say na dan voni andali so it's a muntie asamoka or say boy no and say chemi nsase na mo hwe picture na o use ya o dey can boy na say okay then the boy is coming to explain sasa video look on no coin so fight na mo call ya o fight no and nipa wo di bone this according to the boy this ho and this onu na etu asase ne say no but say this ne fra ujaf na ja as usual o clear ne to or clear the one or buy no see akwa we mum na edi bone so such a character to the extent so be say in sase mu de mum yenti
chebi impotemu wa ope omo ma say asase pa ediu edi galamse asay eye chebi area wa e abrati we e fara
abeku me a town brand committee chairman wo Nkansah Jidim me who say tinta woman so me who say Kevin Taylor e the picture bi ababeto abonti so say me ye galamsey say mo hwe picture na e da ho na amanse na mo hwe picture na e da ho na mo ntie de bia picture no efi eba me a picture ni fi ba ye nipa o ye adwuma am be call na sase no so am de beto abonti na eno na Kevin Taylor o de tag me wo abonti nti mbese mpelifon na obiete video na me koye no mutene no chero meka ho asama akere ina na kofi yo o hwe aduma ya galamsey ya kofi ya e DC LS ana yes a galamsey oni ni mia jo ani dance mo ana yes aduma we o hwe bi to say owura ku e tebi owura ku ono so aka wo ono so side na wo ti wo no ana owura ku omu tu sa ensase ya wo Nkansah Jidim that is yakono so several times so to America to omu kata so Atiwa East this LS omu tu kwa omu kata so one of day yaka no ya so kata say me abeku me am the langa and e tu sa so asamai tampo why any baba ku pen no be say me abeku me site ni site for Nkansah the minister go bia asamai tampo me site bia NS DC on our site ahura more than 8 what I say it is like man question na DC and you say money na place ya po na iso no ya highway no am not down that DC le to sam na we na sub bia abeka to say den chemu ewu osu ase a so wudi because sub me atitibia you got to say den chemu ewu osu ase a so wudi because me am tell the whole Nkansah Jidim me am here temporary committee chairman it mean sure say who DC who want to say now what done work of outcome and it am me nya to say now better by yourself this no only in the juma because sub me am tell me a party member me nya MPP ni o me nya MPP me a full NDC na me party card me a full NDC me nya MPP no better say me tag no there to be a full MPP and in party card Ghanaian and you full NDC now we talk catch them say what do I find out about you want to excavator more than 8 excavators a good as more movies as excavators a good as myself if you want to go and perform by now what say what also much tracker nobody by force nobody choose as myself never can I would DC who by the tagging more say me na me too galamsey video we no Mo say enipa boniyefo bi akoma Kevin Taylor ska say on condemn me Chema Abeku. Me prise say nipa boniyefo yi ebe say ankasi jedem asase. Omu tutu ni galamse. Who Kevin Taylor why wo fu ene wafo so obi a yehu to. Kevin Taylor ma make asem nkyerɛ wotimi unim nyansa. Eyo say Ghana wo kwa na wo fi Ghana wo. Eyo say nkwa na wo ti Ghana wo. Ujimi yese eto saka brabo ya abona aka wo dwana ko sa buruchiri so uji wudi a braga na bebo brabo anya ne ahwa de ya Ghana ha ne yate o ha ne yate yatete ye boye bra nso ye ko yenim ye du kwan o aye so nyasa no wotimi wo sa ta game say me ye MPP ni mo ya me party card ni me nya MPP ni o ana me so say make say me ye MPP ni ba me ye full NDC member Uba ankasi jedema mumbisa youth wo ho eminie mumbisa youth wo ho me ana me sponsor yo NDC mu bisa Atiwa East no mo nkase mo cho NDC maboka wo papa ye be campaign ka ye fa ye be campaign awon me mom schedule tutu kwa tutu apa eye me chema abeku me na me di said money na sata no me ka so macho say every bit na 100% wa me no mo je boss.
Okay, so Danny, it's okay. Kobi. So sa video we enyama miensa ne wo mu. First of all, this year yesu won konkon yensa so na omon sase na oman no. According to Abeku, this year ne ats ma wo to galamsey. Okay? Then Abeku ne town planning committee chairman. And he stands up saying, me ma DC in microphone to galamsey. After DC, according to Abeku, who say Kevin Taylor bet me a mercenary adwuma ma no. It's some catch am say Kwaku, wo ye nipa fo ye nipa kan pa. It's the way Abeku ya ma mekasa. And a wutie guy we ya. Aka bekasa o kan wo kan kore. Se wo ko chebi mpotemu a. Nipa wo sense ase pa. Meanwhile, mo sense ase na no obo o mabaso. It is Abeku ya mekasa. And this guy does it with almost everybody. Exactly. They cannot lies. And me, no can someone na minimu. Until so the bam so. What me try and trust and me busa say So if indeed Semeira now will be nim who I am, I'm sure Sanko Beji dia kwai kandi. Funny enough, on me yire mu ne nyini wo obuase. So they know him. And obesha se no nim Semeira fro obuase. It obesha se no sha se kwase asem na ne yire no what how what timere what bini no what ya no say the next day he came in and said, "Oh, say ne minua ba akora no." And this for wo Abeku say wo kekem. Satam kwase ade say no ye kwase ade say ya on kam grow ade achi yen so oba ya no be ye say ne yire nkwa minua nti mo amusa ne say na obeka first one na wonim say ye wonua wonim chantro yeah and what did was sha say ofro no ana me chichi nkofo nsa ase ton won kran any wantimi afa krata ba akokora mekere ade achi ya no police report ade achi ya na ne kwate awuo ana em so be friend ka chen say akwa no wo ade achi ahwa no asase sa no wo san kraman so tama na ne kwate awuo na wo so oni ba no de he na wo ka ana se si I want to catch us akwa no wo ma it is saying wo san kraman. So you are not, and this is the character you guys have been listening to for 2, 3, 4, 5 years, and you believe him. Media, you didn't be see her. You wouldn't be. Number some children say, "Oh, do you drag at anymore? I can come in there and I'll beat you with star."
Precisely.
Also, I'm having some Roman some Africa. I've a focus on a national development. I see a to say. Now, my show white shirt. I show you. And some information in the home. Who's was else got anymore with you? Let's show about what to say from I'm told. Yeah, you friend no more some people miss and flock on and this anyway. Bibi Joe. Efogado. Obi? Eti yane na wie kwasiade na wo ye. Wo say sigat anymore we will come and beat the hell out of you. Now you focus on Ghana. Let's move on. We don't have time for nonsense anymore. Kobi most of the NSC, general, you next one. I know you're doing
Yes, yeah. Mahama
petete. Okay, so Danny bo video bi a me hu ye and so worrying a video. And obi na share chiri. And almost say ye instigating ni ade ni. Say. Baby, yenti mari, yenti.
Never start transfer e blame pa. Ya hu ma for ye church ya ni asai. Ya bogo to them. Ya follow so ya bata wachi ama watira e jani to them. E can say when they 5 months aye niema we ya. Not all years ni baba de e ba boso. Enti ya bata wachi ama wasa atwa so. Ya da wase. So e ba say never start transfer e blame pa. Ya hu ma for ye church ya ni asai. Ya bogo to them. Ya follow so ya bata wachi ama watira e jani to them. I can say when they 5 months aye niema we ya. Not all years ni baba de e ba boso. Enti ya bata wachi ama wasa atwa so. Ya da wase. So e ba say never start transfer.
Okay, so go via you are buying free so. Now we a tone be no be a certain. A shran camera this and it is say. And a 4 day. It's for a day. June 4th for idea. Revolution. Now search let's say 1979. June 4th revolution. Sometimes JJ Rollins the can May 15th. Coup Amfa and succeeded. Said your Fidel Castro. And try May 15th 1931. And also Amfa 1951 obey second coup JJ Rollins the mentor Fidel Castro it was try 15th May 1979 na mom ranchen mabawa ne je nje oye 1979 coup no and say na champion aba 72 aba beji tumi afribusi ansem and yetimu anies wa aba beji tumi dia a champion ye ne call back to the barracks na yansan into a democracy so and a champion tumi ya ba ne de a champion sunim so oye adwuma and in natural fact champion ye adwuma pa ofa Ghana ha no ye history ne banwa uyi Kwame Nkrumah ne ade ne yi a champion ne president Akufo na wo ho na champion no de ntie ye nkai no and say Kofi wono ne betu eye MPP aban which is Busia eti MPP form penani mu ahwe eti ye nkai no and NDC form so de betu a champion aban eye 79 June 4th ene bia emfa 2023 ye nyatumi a yesa restore constitution let me afi kura de